Now to revealing testimony in former President Donald Trump's criminal trial from former National Enquirer publisher David Pecker. As Robert Costa reports, Pecker's testimony could spell trouble for the former president.
Former President Donald Trump made his frustration known leaving court.
It's a very unfair situation.
After hours of testimony by the former National Enquirer publisher David Pecker, who described a strategy ahead of the 2016 presidential election to buy stories and kill them to protect Donald Trump, while promoting fake stories about his political opponents, including Senators Ted Cruz and Marco Rubio. Prosecutors zeroed in on an August 2015 meeting at Trump Tower, where Pecker says he met with Donald Trump and his former fixer Michael Cohen 2 months after Trump announced he was running for president. At the meeting, Pecker said Trump and Cohen asked him how he could help the campaign, and Pecker told them he would act as the eyes and ears for any negative stories on Trump. The catch and kill plan was the origin of Cohen's $130,000 payment to former adult film star Stormy Daniels, according to prosecutors, to keep her quiet about an alleged sexual encounter with Trump, who denies it all.
The most damaging part of David Pecker's testimony so far is that he actually had a meeting with Michael Cohen and Donald Trump, and that this catch and kill scheme would go forward to affect the results of the 2016 election.
Pecker described other stories he bought and never published, including a $30,000 payment to Trump's doorman for a false story, as well as paying Playboy model Karen McDougal $150,000, who claimed to have had a 10-month-long affair with Trump in 2006, which he denies.
By the time we get to Stormy Daniels, that is really story number 3 in this catch and kill scheme. And the prosecution is talking about a conspiracy to violate the 2016 election by keeping information from the voting public.
The New York trial will resume Thursday, and David Pecker will be back on the stand. That same day here in Washington, the Supreme Court will hear arguments in Trump's presidential immunity case. That could have a big impact on whether he can be prosecuted in the federal January 6 case. Tony?
We'll be following it, Bob. Thank you very much.